Today we have an unboxing of organic delivery, and we have the pantry section, the fridge section, and the produce section. In the pantry we have, oh my gosh, okay, we have a bag of flour, wholemeal strong bread flour. Oh, two! They gave me two pita bread instead of one. Two, I remember. Two pita bread. Cornflour starch, a Worcester sauce, huh? She's there, yeah. Actually, sweet corn, pasta pennine italiane, and potato chips. Two. Let's see, in the fridge section we've got, what do we have? Oh, we have Camembert de Normandy, raw milk camembert, an unsalted butter, double organic cream, and another double organic cream. Produce section. Oh gosh. Ooh, very ripe plantain. Bunch of spring onions. Three mixed peppers. Organic oranges, unwaxed, and more potatoes. And that's all for this week's organic unboxing delivery of produce, pantries and fridge items.